Hi, I'm Florian. I'm the Global Market Manager for our e-Power and Clean Energy segment. Customers choose to work with us because they need more than just a supplier. When you work with H.B. Fuller, you get a true partner committed to clean energy. With a global manufacturing footprint, H.B. Fuller provides consistent support and supply wherever your business operates. Our product development spans a variety of chemistries, ensuring we have the right solution for your specific needs. Through continuous innovation and close collaboration with our customers, we are able to tailor our products to fit exactly design requirements and specifications. In addition to our broad portfolio of clean energy solutions, we deliver custom-tailored solutions that are engineered to ensure our customers' success. Customers gain access to our expertise in product development, scale-up, testing, and production methods. When it comes to finding the right partner, H.B. Fuller is here to help you achieve your goals for the future.